Shane from Samurai South Africa. Today I'm going to be showing you our ICHIGEKI curved saw blade. The ICHIGEKI is Samurai's most popular worldwide selling saw. The reason for that, it's quality, it's value for money, and obviously it's made with a patented Samurai blade system. As you can see, the ICHIGEKI has a formal pitch tooth. It's a very aggressive cutting pattern. This allows you to rip through wet and dry branches with speed and comfort. As with most of Samurai's curved saws, it's got a rubberized pistol grip handle, soft rubber, very much mold to a person's hand, very comfortable, especially when you're cutting for long periods of time. And again, because pull saws are designed to only cut on the pull stroke, very important that you have a comfortable handle. You don't want blisters, do you? So today, we're going to be cutting down a branch here. As you can see, quite a branch. I've got fairly large hands myself. I can almost just get my fingers around it. Let's see what the Samurai can do. As I said, Samurais are designed to cut on a pull stroke, so it's always wise just to set the teeth in first. And once you've set them in, then go for it. As you can see, no task is too big or small for the Samurai blade. That was almost effortless. Don't buy wrong, buy Samurai. And don't forget, as with most of the Samurai curved saws, we give you a complimentary holster to keep the blade at your beck and call, but also, of course, to look the part. Thanks for looking at Samurai.